What are ferromagnetic materials? Ferromagnetic material is a material which, when placed in an external magnetic field, acquires magnetism quickly and becomes permanently magnetized. Let's now analyze the behavior of a ferromagnetic material when placed in a magnetic field. When a ferromagnetic material is placed in a uniform magnetic field, the material acquires strong magnetism in the same direction as that of the applied magnetic field. As a result, it gets attracted towards the applied magnetic field quickly. Now, if a bar of ferromagnetic material is suspended between the two poles of the magnet, then the material rotates quickly and comes to rest, with its longest axis parallel to the magnet. And when a liquid ferromagnetic material is poured in the U-tube, placed between the two poles of the magnet, then the level of liquid rises quickly in the limb. Let's now list the properties of a ferromagnetic material. Note that the temperature at which the ferromagnetic material becomes paramagnetic is known as Curie temperature. Some of the examples of ferromagnetic materials are iron, cobalt, nickel, steel, alnico, etc. Ferromagnetism finds its application in many electrical and electromechanical devices, such as electric motors, generators, transformers, hard disks, etc. Related terms are